NeuroGov represents a paradigm shift in how intelligence systems move from mere analysis to governed, explainable command. Unlike traditional AI, which focuses on prediction or automation, NeuroGov embeds governance, auditability, and strategic control at the core. It acts as a neural governance core powered by the 3D, 10D AI DNN Engine, cognitive cube, a decision intelligence layer that ensures every insight, forecast, or action is ethically guided, contextually aware, and strategically aligned with enterprise or national objectives. This transforms AI from a passive decision support tool into an active strategic command layer. The real power of NeuroGov as a product lies in its ability to combine neural intelligence with structured governance frameworks, example ISO, ESG, RBI, and national AI policy standards. It makes every data flow explainable, every decision traceable, and every outcome auditable in real time. This ensures that strategic leaders, regulators, and organizations can operate with confidence, trust, and foresight, turning AI into a reliable governance partner rather than a black box. This is especially crucial for critical sectors like education, healthcare, finance, smart cities, and logistics. Beyond technology, NeuroGov is a scalable governance product designed for national infrastructures and enterprise command centers. It can integrate with cloud, edge, or hybrid environments, allowing organizations to create sovereign decision layers above any AI model, including OpenAI GPT-5 or GPT-6. This sovereignty ensures control over ethical standards, compliance, and strategic outcomes while enabling predictive, real-time governance. Invented and architected by Dr. Pradeep K. Suri, NeuroGov stands as the governance and strategic intelligence layer of the post-LLM era, a product built not just to assist decisions, but to govern them.